Good afternoon folks, Steve here from Blue Anchor Leisure, just about to give you a quick tour around the Atlas concept. Absolutely cracking unit, very unique in its design. You'll see why in a few minutes. It's central heated, double glazed, 2-bedroom. Let's have a little look then. So as I mentioned, this is the Atlas concept. Very unique in its layout and design. It's got patio front doors on the front end there. It's central heated, double glazed. Can be sited on the majority of the Blue Anchor parks. Obviously plot specific, it is quite a big unit. One entrance door in on the side there, so you've got your fridge freezer built in there, decent wine rack, plenty of shelving for all your bits and bobs, microwave, there's your cooker with an external extractor. Decent sized living area, obviously two leather settees. Again, more storage there. It has blinds throughout as well. There's the electric fire. And the bit that's mainly unique and why most people tend to go for this holiday home is because of this raised dining area. And then you've got the two windows above with mirrors surrounding it to make it feel really light and airy. A little bit further into the van then, so we'll come to the first bedroom. Plenty of space to manoeuvre in there. Not a bad cupboard there either. And then you've got a mirror and everything like that around that corner. There's your shower room, so this is the main shower room. Again, there's light coming in from the windows and obviously mirrors everywhere. Decent sized shower. And then you've got your ensuite as well. Decent sized wardrobe for your missus to put all her clothes. And then you've got an ensuite with a shower. And then they've also put in there a washing machine. If you didn't want the washing machine, obviously we take that out, that's not a problem. But again, nice window there, letting in the light, and then mirrors again, just to make it feel that little bit lighter. So this can be sited on as I said, pretty much majority of Blue Anchor parks. Is just $24,995. I don't believe it will be in stock for long, just because people like these units because they're very unique. For any more information, please get in touch with myself on 01754 897 897 or get me on mobile 07860 61145. Thanks a lot guys, bye bye.